Yeah, so this is what your residency looks like. So this is one slide. You learn on the job. Please don't be like कि मुझे घर भेज दो, मुझे पढ़ना है. No, you learn on the job. जितने cases देखोगे, जितने cases report करोगे, उतना सीखोगे. Learn on the job, read on the job. तभी वीडियो देखो 2x पे, right? या फिर बुक मार्क करो, बाद में वीडियो देख लेना. But keep learning on the job. जितने cases देखोगे, उतना सीखोगे is the rule, right? So any case that you don't know, please take feedback. Run behind your medicine colleague and ask कि क्या निकला, उसका बायोप्सी हुआ, क्या रिपोर्ट आया, पूछो, right? So that you know कि आपने जो रिपोर्ट करा था सही था कि नहीं था. That contributes to learning. ये 3 साल करना है. Be hungry for knowledge. Super important. Be in the department, not at home. घर पे बैठ के पढ़ने से रेडियो नहीं आएगी. Okay, now it's not NEET PG anymore. So you have to be in the department as much as possible. Two things, confidence and fluency. This is what you develop, right? So if you are fluent, if you are confident in what your approaches, you will pass the exams. And as residents, don't focus कि फटाफट खत्म करके घर जाओ. No, your focus has to be on accuracy. Let it take more 2x the time that your colleague is taking to report a case. लगने दो. But you take your time. Don't miss findings, right? Focus on thesis. Thesis किसी को पैसे दे के नहीं लिखवाना है. This is what a lot of colleges do. This is your only chance at original research, right? So do your thesis well. And create a case database in your college. Mark out UHIDs of interesting cases. उसको एक फोल्डर में रखो ताकि कभी भी सेमिनार बनाना है, रिसर्च पेपर लिखना है, you know what are the cases. It's easy for you to find, right? So these are a few tips and tricks for residents who are about to join radiology. Yeah, so this is what you need to remember. A lot of questions now I've already answered about AI, about FRCR, right? So this I've already answered. So I hope this helps you get insight. I can tell you one thing, if you are confused, no, I have not seen anybody, or like I've not seen many people who take up radiology and regret it. It's a branch which has a lot of options. Even if you do not like the first year, wait, you will fall in love around 2.5 years of residency. For the first 6 months you'll not understand anything, and you will probably give curse me also कि मैम आपकी वजह से लिया और अब देखो क्या हो रहा है. Wait, dear. Wait for 1 year. You will enjoy. All right. So you have to give it time. It's a slow learning curve, but it grows on you. That's what radiology is. It grows on you, and eventually you will understand a lot of it, and you constantly keep learning. Right. I still learn so much when I teach students. Right. So that's what it is. I am like, I keep learning radiology throughout your life. So that's what you have to understand here.